Hello, this is Brian Shannon from Alpha Trends Blogspot. Today is Monday, April 23rd, 2007. On Wall Street today, we're looking at shares of Marvel Entertainment, symbol MVL. As you saw from Lindsay's video, the movie Spider-Man 3 is going to be coming out here in the next couple of weeks, I believe. And I think that's really been a driver for this stock over the last several months as it's broken past that $20.5 or $21 level in anticipation of this new movie coming out. So the stock is getting pretty volatile up in here now. And it's said that volatility peaks at turning points and diminishes with the trend. Now, there's no evidence that we've seen any kind of top in here right now. On this weekly time frame, we've got the 50-day moving average above the 100, above the 150, and above the 200 that are all advancing. So there's nothing, again, that indicates any topping action other than just the volatility that we've seen in here. And you've got to remember that a lot of times a company like Marvel Entertainment will run up in anticipation of an event like this new release of the movie, and then once the movie comes out, then and it gets all those headlines as far as how much money it's making and that sort of thing. The retail customers start coming in and purchasing the stock, and the big institutions that bought it in anticipation of that start to sell their shares to the public, because they figure once the public is already in, that who's left to buy. So if we look at a monthly time frame, you can see though that this is all-time highs for the stock. So it's still in a fantastic uptrend. There's no indication that the stock is topping out. So this volatility, though, is my only reason for concern. That plus we've got an event coming up with the release of this movie. So I would say that if you're in this stock, that you ought to be looking to protect your profits, maybe with a stop somewhere down near this area, below that rising 50-day moving average, and just below this recent higher low. So we've got this nice series of higher lows to go along with the higher highs. And if it breaks that low right here, it will make a lower low. Therefore, our definition of an uptrend would be gone, and why would you want to be holding it on the long side unless you were a much longer-term investor? So I would say that you're probably better off passing on this one. If you're making new purchases, I would say stop probably around $29 a share.